Pan-Africanism by Hakim Adi. Professor Hakim Adi is an award-winning historian. He was the first historian of African heritage to become a professor of history of Africa on the African Diaspora at the University of Chichester, UK in 2015. Hakim was instrumental in the founding of the History Matters initiative in 2014 and is also a consultant historian of the Young Historian Project. He has appeared in many documentary films, on TV and on radio, and has written widely on the history of Africa and African diaspora. Hakim Adi's covered many of the key political figures of the 20th century, including Du Bois, Garvey, Malcolm X, Nkrumah and Gaddafi, as well as Pan-African culture expression from Negritude, of the wearing of the Afro hairstyle and the music of Bob Marley. This book provides a history of the individuals and organizations that have sought the unity of all those African origin as the basis for advancement and liberation. Adi compassionately straddles the line between fun and critique while telling the story of Pan-Africanism. This is a readable book full of crucial and cogent ideas on the most significant phases in the historical development of Pan-Africanism. Most of the chapters of the book survey the continental turn and impact of Pan-Africanism after the 1945 Congress. The chapters are helpfully complemented by archival photographs and extensive notes. Thanks for watching.